Weekly timesheets for team members. Supervisor responsibilities for weekly timesheets for team members include accessing the timesheets to view them for accuracy, make corrections or edit them as needed, and approve them on a weekly basis. As a supervisor, you are able to make corrections to those timesheets even if they are approved until the timesheets are locked for the payroll run. Part 1 of this video demonstrates the process to access and view weekly timesheets for team members. In Part 2, we will demonstrate the process to edit and approve the weekly timesheet for team members. Part 1. Accessing the weekly timesheet. You are able to access your team's timesheets in two ways. Team tasks to display timesheets for your full team, employee tasks to display an individual team member's timesheet. Team tasks. To access your team's timesheets through Team Tasks, click the Team Tasks option on the header bar to display the Team Tasks dashboard. Click the magnifying glass icon in the Team field to select your team. Click the Sub-Teams checkbox if applicable if you want to see timesheets of team members that members of your team supervise. Leave the Pay Groups field blank. Date selection is pre-selected as current pay period. To change the date selection, click the drop-down and choose the date range, or enter a start date and an end date if the date selection is manual date range. Date selection field automatically populates to manual date range if a start date is entered. Confirm the timesheet is populated in the action field and click Go. Two Go hyperlinks will appear under the team name. The Show Admin Roster Employees will generate employees' weekly timesheets. The Show Hourly Employees will generate employees' daily timesheets. Click the Go hyperlink next to Show Admin Roster Employees. Team members' weekly timesheets will display for the date range selected. The system will populate one employee's timesheet at a time. To view the next employee's timesheet, click the drop-down above the employee's name to select the next employee. Employee tasks. To access an employee's timesheet through Employee Tasks, click the Employee Tasks option on the header bar to display the Employee Tasks dashboard. Click the magnifying glass icon in the Employee field to select your employee. If you need to search for an employee, type a few identifying characters in the Employee or Name field and click Find. Then click the employee's name or number to display the employee's name in the Employee field of the Employee Task dashboard. Date selection is pre-selected as current pay period. To change the date selection, click the drop-down and choose the date range, or enter a start and end date if the date selection is manual date range. Date selection field automatically populates to manual date range if a start date is entered. Confirm the timesheet is populated in the action field and click Go. The employee's weekly timesheet will be displayed for the date range selected. Now to navigate or to view the weekly timesheet, we will do the following. First, the employee's name is on the left corner of the timesheet. The checkboxes in the trash can icon column are used to delete timesheet entries. The time code fields are used to enter time codes. The fields on the day columns are used to enter the number of hours for the time codes that are applied. The blue highlighted days are the employee's off days. Total column on the right displays the total number of hours for the time code for the week. Total row at the bottom of each day displays the total number of hours of exception time codes for that day. Add Comments row is used to add comments to the timesheet. Approved checkboxes enable the supervisor to approve the employee's time. Save Changes button is used to update and save any changes made on the timesheet. Code Summary section on the bottom of the page displays time codes applied on the timesheet with the hours. This completes our demonstration of accessing and viewing the weekly timesheet for team members.